Good afternoon, country people. Them we glad for joining us for this site for Equinox Tori House. Number 4 day for inside the week. Strong number for this afternoon. Sabise Mancho BBC case for inside court for Yawende. Na sote for number 8 day for number 5 moon. We go sabi the kind casting go where they go give for Mancho BBC. This one na after we court. It be look inside the case again yesterday. So for Tori for this afternoon, 14-year-old boy, he don't sleep straight. Now for that side, so for Kribi, after we they meet up die body for the boy for inside water. Now so to we go so talk, palava sick, palava for skin, malaria, una sabi wait the cause am, palava dirty environment, palava dirty corner place. This afternoon, we go take una turn for inside Douala. For tell una say even as way people they be make mash for Douala here. For say make people they clean, keep that place and clean. Dirty, it never so finish for inside Douala. So they no go fit for kick malaria. Come out for inside Cameroon. Newspaper then say they get their own story where they go join talk for him this afternoon. Big part talk, it tell we say waiting. Say if stone a big na how, man way he get hammer, he must to so chakara the stone. If stone a big na how, man way he get hammer, he must to chakara the stone. Na Igna from Boko, saying we big part talk this afternoon. Good afternoon, country people. Them with the glad again for meet up una for this side for continue for Nat Tori as we the pass for country. Chapter 1 for Tori we go take una enter for that side so for government bilingual high school Mbuda Roal na for that side way they so trouble e be pass na for sika waiting. Sika money wey pikin dey pay, then they no get class wey they be get forget for sika the money. Make we take una go for that side so for government bilingual high school Mbuda Rural na for that side wey this palava e pass wey school pikin them they pay 8,000 for say make they teach them computer, teach them waiting, even palava for catch up class. So till now they never teach the pikin them na for sika why wey this pikin them they be comot for outside con people them make serious mash for come for outside. If we go from Buddha for talk this palava sabi say principal e deny say no na iduam na so to even PTA man e deny to say no na iduam but waiting e happen oga big man from Buddha say e become for can talk that palava na di if we go from Buddha for talk palava this picking them where e dey so they come on na school picking them for government bilingual primary school country people them na for that side where this palava pass from Buddha country people them picking them they come out they talk say if they no pay them back their money give them back the money they no go enter back for class. And most of the picking them na school picking the way they so they did prepare for exam, they did prepare for school exam, public exam where it is so they don't pay 8,000 and inside that 8,000 they begin for teach them computer and they begin for catch up with other book work where they know we don't finish do when I teacher them they begin for pay them. Now for sika that one the way they picking that they come up for outside they talk say they no go fit turn back for class where they never pay them their money. Now so to the picking the turn talk say even palava for water where even they say they don't promise them say they get for begin them water for that school. So till now they never even see one eye water for inside the borehole where they don't promise them. They be so drink na water where it come up for inside well. All that complain them plus palava where they never pay them their money na water that na place that they don't promise them say water go be. But so till now they no get water. They so struggle for drink their own water na for some war place, some borehole where it dey so they never even fix and a place that they carry water for drink am con people them inside that way now for the way they carry water. So all the one they so na invest picking them for inside this palava so con people them. So as soon as sabi this school picking them big man from Buddha he says he become meet up that school picking them for talk for them say 3,000 they go take am for palava their school thing but they go see as way solution e go last come for that side. Make we take una go for place where they call am say Kribi. Now for inside water, we go enter for the country people them inside water proper. They don't meet up some die body for inside water for that side. So for Kribi country people them, now they will enter for inside this palaver for Kribi too for talk this palaver. Sabi say for that side for Kribi as well the talk inside Kribi water as well water don't they go up now so too plenty die they come out. Now one canoe that where people they work inside, but that canoe a carrying a die boy na some 14-year-old boy where they go finding inside water where he don't already die. No man he no sabi as we the boy he take enter for water or as we they but plenty people they talk say as we water now say don't high now so too plenty people that they ever die so for that side for Kribi it be then a big cry die for that side so after we they meet up this small boy 14-year-old boy where they go come out a die body for inside water. This one it come na time we another die body too they be don't first see him he never overtake for that side so all people they now so they talk say make all man he look out you way sabi you know sabi for swim make you know enter water for say water now so it don't go for up where if you know sabi for swim the water it go swallow you they only see a die body now after that one now if they see him but sabi say all man we know sabi for swim he no even get for go for corner water for that side so for Kribi. We talk now palava people the way they make country for be way day we dey talk palava for Yube country people them we sabi Yube fine this roundabout now for the way they want put aboki for Yube e go turn up for the place na place for Bonaprizo and Commodore now for this same way they don't put avenue Yube now for the way this aboki e go turn up and work for put aboki for Yube e don't already start and now for sika this man one that they say so Bibi Agbada where they call and say Esama sabi say we don't come put John Gufoncha he own aboki for corner here they move am na so to go move this other woman he own where they don't come put am for there so after we don't the fight last work he don't the start now so for that side where they call and say Carrefour Bonaprizo and Commodore e mean say na roundabout for Commodore and they talk say wetin na governor delegate city council na SSF he don't put hand for say make this aboki from Unyube a turn up for that roundabout as they call them roundabout for people there they come out for Bonaprizo and one day way they go for that side so for Commodore so country people them. Palava for Mancho BBC we go turn back for Tokam. Palava yesterday court last finish country people them court last finish on Tom Mancho BBC case. They only put the case against it. They go meet up with BBC Mancho. Now for number 8 day for number 5 moon 2018. Yesterday for court, even as we court, it talks a Mancho BBC they innocent for some other thing them like say in the talk say no ever chakara property where in a country own no ever stay where no be get identity card no ever key any man all that kind of small thing there so court it talks a Mancho BBC hand it clean but the talk say Mancho BBC hand no clean for palava waiting terrorism yes for palava terrorism they say Mancho BBC hand no clean and for palava to say it one show say it get power for before governor people them all that one they so now they talk say Mancho BBC hand no clean so even as they no give casting time they don't talk say waiting they go meet up with you again for number 8 day for inside number 5 moon now that time they go give own casting go sabi say plenty other people they them where they be judge them to yesterday but all man it be the wait for here wait the pass for Mancho BBC own sabi say since when they start for judge Mancho BBC other people they don't already finish give them casting go but so now Mancho BBC own they the only turn but sabi say the parliament don't talk say if they give 15 years then it means say people they sorry for sika say if the wait say na 50 years from gata all that one they so if the talk say sabi say the work na for sika say it go be na the future Mandela for inside Cameroon say even Mandela be enter for inside gata before people they can understand say it dey so true palava it be there for South Africa so if he say if he remain for Esangata for 50 years then people they understand say trouble it dey it go glad plenty so number 8 day for inside number 5 moon we go sabi the casting where they go give am for Mancho BBC for inside this chapter for Northwest and Southwest. With the talk palava we seek, palava body for skin, Douala e never clean. Na Douala this for Cameroon. Water, dirty. Bottle, plastic, full up. And with the talk palava for waiting, kick malaria for comot for outside country. When we corner house they no corner house they no clean. So we say make we turn for inside Douala here. With the talk say KO malaria, KO malaria, KO malaria. We go the KO malaria where place it dirty? No way. Now all the kind of dirty then so where it bring malaria for people their skin. Mosquito, it go pass, it may one, it bite you point, it give you malaria. But every time when malaria time don't reach, we go walk for road. We go talk say, oh, we want common malaria for country. We no fit common malaria where we so get the kind of dirty water them. When mosquito they fit go turn up for they then turn back enter for your house. Even mosquito bed net say they dig am. Some correct mosquito the day they don't get mind. They box that bed net, enter for inside, chop you fine. For tell you say they so they be big brother than for mosquito. So we talk say the palava for malaria and place the way they dirty. Enough ever waka. After where they be make waka for fight malaria. So one man he be talk for Ash Tese a microphone. Make we hear you talk.
We don't come match for against Palestine. No fine, very well. We match 10 kilometers. We come up post Central Bonanjo. We pass through Catholic University and Saint David, Bush, Bopi, Carrefour Agib, Trois-Morts, Feu-Rouge, Rond-Point. We pass through Hotel de Dende, then we can come up back for Bonanjo. Very important because when you see them the team, they say be ready for win malaria. Meaning that not na one man fight, na all we, na group fight. That means na the main point for the match. So that all the citizens for Douala, someone will join people for Santé, that will fight against the.
Yes, now one of the people then that way be there for waka for talk say they want fight malaria for come up for country. We know if you fight malaria when place. It's also dirty. One of the things then to be catch our eye for that worker for malaria. Now for talk say una governor for inside littoral. Oga Samuel do the neighbor Dibois. Person where he talk say that party man, he no be don't go for school for learn Mutumbu. That man he make mistake. Governor he did dance fine. All thing he did do am fine. Make we see am. Governor for inside Douala here SSF, he dey for all side for say he dey follow support say make this palava for malaria a finish. We go finish to read this afternoon now for talk palava for waiting, palava for new bishop for Baturi, we don't sabi the man in name just now. The new bishop for Baturi, Papa for Roma, Pope Francis. He begin appoint yesterday and we go for a house na new bishop that for Baturi diocese. In name na Marie Marceline Ndap Nyem. Na he go she don now like a bishop for that side so for Baturi diocese. Before they be one make he appoint like a bishop for that side so for Baturi. He says he be then a principal for some Catholic college for inside Douala here. So just now he go come up for that chair like a principal. He go now like bishop for that side so for Baturi diocese. Sabi say that place he be done she done with bishop no be there. So now for Sika why that way glad he be there plenty inside a family for talk say waiting make Father Marie Marceline Dabiem he continue for do better work as well Papa for Roma SSF he don't see him. So Baturi peoples now na new bishop that way Papa for Roma he don't give a point. Now so we see country for this half time. Sabi say country in the waka and as we country the waka now so 2 weeks say we dey for back. Newspaper then too they get their own story for talk for we. Make we enter for inside the info where you get 1,000 people then say where they subscribe for inside the newspaper. Strong number for inside the info where they for then say waiting. Palava for Senate, SDF people them, they want and say make from V Imukete, they movie for game. This one are for Sika waiting. According to the info, in the top where we say SDF people them, they the vex for Sika say from V Imukete, he get 2 chair them way in the occupy. One like senator and another one board chair for some company inside country. So for the info, you go read to him where it consign Palava waiting, Bolore, where they tell we say Bolore, he too they don't put it from Bangatam for Sika Magumagu where he did do for inside Africa. Atanganakuna Sesep, according to where the info he talk, he don't give back 1.7 billion francs where he tifam, time where he be there for inside Gomna. All this story then so, plus even Tori where concern Feka Food and die where he touch we own country Sesep where Henry Michel die. The info when 1,000 people then say that they subscribe for inside, he get all the Tori them plus other one for tell and for we. We enter now also for the guidance post where it dey for outside today. Country people them the guidance post where they for outside. It tell we say waiting say people the way they dey with a gun they attack Kumba and Andek. For that side, so for Kumba government school for Kusalam, the key discipline master according to the guidance post. Then for that side for GHS for Andek, they told say the wound principal for that school. So for inside the guidance post, you go read Tori where it concern Nigeria and Cameroon where they don't make a combi, they detronging their combi them for Palava for security. This one now for fight bad belle people them whether now for Nigeria or for inside Cameroon. So for inside the info, you go read Tori for Palava for Northwest and Southwest. They say Musonge a commission where they call and say bilingualism commission a day for Boya side day now for do waiting for meet up with the population for ask them waiting the one time so that solution for this chapter for Northwest and Southwest if it last come. Inside the post where they for outside this time, when the people them they post it tell we say waiting Palava for Norwest Southwest bilingualism commission it dey for that side so for Boyam and D1 now for say waiting make population except a meter we must game and it can be a country people them for bilingualism commission for talk waiting where they really want and for inside country. The post it tell we to say for Sika waiting for Sika Palava for waiting for Sika Mancho BBC on Palava too. They tell we as we Mancho BBC Palava in case they don't put another for number 8 day for inside this very Munso the talk. SDFSSF, according to it, they post in the Terry, they go to show their own man way go the drag rope with Nkunkuma for vote for get new president for number 30 day for this moon. Inside the post too, you go read some Tori where it concern Tambetiku where the talks waiting. Say court, you no get no right for talks waiting. Say UB, you no be get right for come out fake doki them where Oga Ekema Patrick when a mayor for that side so for Boyam, he be get them. So all the Tori them plus other one them, a day for inside the post where a day for outside even the post, it announce as we Mark Barretta and Mami too, they don't cash them. Dumb other one than to the day now for now for reach as well the country Edewaka. So can the people them now so we see Tori for this afternoon. Sabi say Tori it will continue for camp for Equinox Tori House for 4 o'clock. 2 bilingual people that go come back for them. We get English, French. For 6 o'clock, Queen Elisa and Babila go be there. For 8 o'clock, we get Nadine Yambu go the talk for Emmanuel Macrae country talk. For Ambassador Sesep, he go turn back for some time. Make una hold am tight. Make una no forget rendezvous for start second today. Bye bye.